Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Beats Fit Pro above 50% and open Android Bluetooth settings so the phone can scan. Once done, keep the case within 3 feet of the phone and press, and hold the case button until the LED starts flashing. This forces pairing mode. You do this because Android needs a discoverable BLE signal. Making the earbuds actively advertise reduces failed scans. If the phone prompts for permission, accept it so Bluetooth can access location and nearby devices. You tap Beats Fit Pro in the Bluetooth list and wait for the pairing handshake to complete. You'll see Connected for Media. Once paired, make sure to grant any permission dialogues and turn Media Audio Profile on so music routes correctly. Then, open Android Sound Settings or the Beats app to verify the audio codec and equalizer. You want AAC or aptX if available for best fidelity. By confirming these settings, you avoid low-quality audio and ensure calls and media use the correct microphone and output path. You finish by testing playback, pausing, skipping tracks, and making a quick call to confirm the mic. Toggle active noise cancellation or transparency to verify controls respond. If audio drops or pairing fails, reset the earbuds by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED sequence resets, then repair. This clears cached profiles. Finally, always check the Beats app for firmware updates, because manufacturers release fixes that improve stability and Bluetooth range. Updating often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.